Now we have to create the third story. We need to create 2 pages for the story on how Andre jumped into the well. We will create these 2 pages as 2 screens. So let's create these 2 screens. For that, I first clicked on the small arrow next to Story 2, page 2 and selected New Screen. Now, where it says ID, I give the name Story 3 underscore page 1. On this screen, we need to display the first page of the story, how Andre jumped into the well. For this, I clicked on Choose in front of image. Next, choose Story 3, Slide 1. Now we need a button to go from this page to the next page. For that, I clicked on button and dragged like this. First, we see ID. I am giving the name as Story 3 underscore button 1. Now in this button, I want to display next page instead of button, so I type next page instead of text. Now you can drag this button and place it at the bottom of the page. Now we have finished creating one more button. In this way, let's create the second page of the story, how Andre jumped into the well. For that, I click the small arrow next to Story 3 underscore page 1 and selected New Screen. Now, where it says ID, I give the name Story 3 underscore page 2. On this screen, we need to display the second page of the story. For this, I clicked on Choose in front of image. There, click on Choose and select Story 3, Slide 2. Now we need a button here to be able to go to all story screen from this page which has the names of all the stories. For that, I click on button and will drag like this. First, we see ID. I will give the name as Story 3 underscore button 2. That is STORY Story 3 underscore BUTTON button 2. Now in this button, I want to display back to all stories instead of button. So where it says text, I will type back to all stories. You can drag this button and place it at the bottom of the page. Now we have finished creating another button. Now we have completed all the work in the design section. Now let's code this app. For that, I click on code.